guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this purple and pink with white glittered look today. I've been really wanting to use the Karity Posh palette a lot more, so I really wanted to dabble in with that and kind of only using a one palette look today. So I accomplished that except for the glitter, but you know, the white glitter part. So yes, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, so the first thing that we are going to do, and I think I did a pretty good job because I wanted to try to do a look with just one palette, and so I would have to say I think I did that except one shade, which is the glitter. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm using again the Karity Posh palette, and it looks like that. Mine is completely dirty, but it tells it's been put to use. So the first shade I'm going into is Judy, and it's just a typical light colored brown, and I'm just going to put this as the transition shade, and I'm just going to blend this out pretty good. And so now I'm going into the shade Carry, which is that pretty plum color, and I'm just going to throw this into the crease, and I'm just going to blend this out again, really blown out, I guess you can say, because this is obviously the main focus for the crease. So that's what we should be at now. And all I'm going to do now is cut the crease. So I'm just going to be using, you know, the Tarte Shape Tape. You can use anything that you prefer, that you like cutting the crease with. Just going to grab a little bit off, just cut now. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, and if you guys noticed, I cut it a little differently. Normally I swoop it out because I really do like that, but for this look I just figured I'd keep it on the round side and try that. But I like it for this look. That's why I wanted to, because of the second shade we're going to be doing. But right now I'm going into the shade Emma, and it's that light kind of, yeah, no, it's just that light pink color. And I'm going to throw this in the inner corner all the way to about halfway. So, and then now I'm going into the shade Natalie, and it's a very pretty, I don't know exactly how to explain it. It's like a purple, but a brown and some pink flecks in it. I don't know, it's really interesting. So I really wanted to use that, so that's what we're gonna do. And just put this on the rest of the lid. Okay, and so with that done, I'm going back into Emma, and I'm just gonna blend out this harsh line and just really blend it all together. Now back into Natalie, and just darkening up this side. Okay, and I just want to go back into Carry, which was the crease color, and just really bring that color back a little more and deepen it up just a bit. Face is itching. Okay. I kind of want to go in with Emma just a little bit more. That's better. Okay. So now I'm going in to the Stilla's Glitter and Glow Shimmer Shadows, and I'm just going to use Kitten Karma. I'm gonna just dab a little eyeliner brush and just line the crease halfway, but let me get a little close up here. Okay, and so right now, I forgot to mention in the beginning that I already tight lined and did the waterline. I just used a black eyeliner because it's a lot easier to just get it done ahead of time. But anyways, going into Karity, and I am going to line the bottom of the lash line only halfway again. And then same brush, I'm going in with Emma and just put this in the inner corner part. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner and mascara, then I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back now, and for highlighting the inner corner and brow, I'm going into 2 of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette, and I'm going to be using from the Sugar palette, I'm going to be using Starburst, and I'm going to mix that in with the Gleam palette, and I'm going to be using Crushed Pearl. So I'm going to be using those 2, and the reason why is because they're both a very light pink. I wanted a white highlight because these are the 2 I use on my face, but they're both a light, almost like a whiter highlight, but it has a little bit of the pink in there. So I thought it would be perfect for this look to do those. More in there. And then what I'm going to do is whatever's left on the brush that was from Karity for the crease, I'm just going to kind of blend that up into the brow bone. So now I'm just going to go ahead and set my face using the Urban Decay Just Slick setting spray. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if there are any looks you guys want to see or products, just put those down in the comments down below. And yes, and with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.